Summer in Georgia gives days of duality. Cool green earth is fed by furious sunlight, and the sun blazes in defiance to the violet shadows on the horizon. The raging wind beckons me, and I leave the silence of my home for the promise of a summer storm. It arrives in a fury, and a primal energy ignites my heart. Lightning breaks the sky, and for a moment I'm free. The storm opens portals to other lands, and I am torn between here and there. I ask myself, am I really at home on this earth? The anatomy of a storm embodies each magical element, just as my body, just as the earth. Recalling this, I rejoice in my own kinship with the land. Remembering this connection brightens my days, despite the storms I may weather.